fun fact. Did you guys know that if you're Polish or Russian, the Polish and Russian believe that if you sneeze 3 times in a row, that it means that your mother-in-law or your future mother-in-law is talking bad about you? I just thought I would drop that gem because I thought it was super interesting. But other than that, sneezing 3 times means that you are being spiritually protected. There's a spiritual awakening and you're getting blessings from a higher power. So I just thought I'd drop that gem for you guys. Have a good day, everybody.